In this video, we have to see operations on matrices or algebra of matrices. So, in this point, we have to see two operations on matrix, that is addition of matrix and multiplication of matrix. So, let first addition of matrix. Addition of matrix. So addition of matrix is only possible when number of rows and number of columns of both the given matrices are equal. Addition of matrix is possible only when number of rows and number of columns are equal in both given determinants, both matrices, in both matrices. While making addition of matrix, number of rows and number of columns should be equal in both the matrices. So let example, a matrix A having elements 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 7, 8, 8, 4, and another matrix B having elements 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 8, 3, 2, 9. Here number of rows and number of columns, order of both the determinants is same, that is 3 by 3. Here number of rows in the first matrix, that is matrix A, are equal to number of rows and columns of matrix, another matrix, that is B, or order of matrix, both the matrices is equal. So we can add this matrix. Now while adding, we have to just add corresponding elements, that is A11 add with A11, then A12 add with A12, A13 add with A13, and like this. So the addition of A plus B equals to, we can write 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4. Or then next 3 plus 4, 4 plus 4, 7 plus 8, and third row 8 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 4 plus 9, and which is equals to 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 4 7, 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 4 8, then 15, then 11, then 10, and then 30, and order of this matrix that obtained is 3 by 3. In this way we can solve any question for the any matrix. Now we have a question, add and given a matrix that is having elements 3, 7, 8, 4, 3, 9, 4, 8, 9 and asked to find a plus 4a. Here we have to multiply a matrix A by a scalar that is 4. So we have matrix A and we have to find first of all matrix 4A. So matrix 4A equals to multiply a given matrix A by a scalar that is 4. 4 into 3, 7, 8, 4, 3, 9, 4, 8, 9 and we will get finally for the scalar multiplication that is 12, 28, 32, 16, 12, 36, 16, 32 and then 36. Now this is 4a and this is a. Now we can add a plus 4e equals to 3, 7, 8, 4, 3, 9, 4, 8, 9 plus this matrix 12, 28, 32, 16, 12, 36, 16, 23, 32 and then 36 which is equals to 3 plus 12, 15, 7 plus 28, 35, 8 plus 32, 40, then 4 plus 16, 20, 3 plus 12, 15, 9 plus 36, 45, 4 plus 16, 20, then again 40 and last one 45. A plus 4. And the next point, that is matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. This is the most important point of this. In these points, matrix multiplication. While multiplying two matrices, some necessary conditions. Let's see which are that necessary conditions. First condition is, while making matrix multiplication, number of rows in first matrix must be equal to number of columns in second matrix. Number of rows in first matrix must be equal to number of rows number of columns in second matrix. Number of rows in first matrix must be equal to number of columns in second matrix. Then two matrices can be multiplied. After that, take one example, a matrix A, 2, 3, 4, having 3 rows and 1 column, and then a matrix B having 3 columns and 1 row. Okay, so its order is 1 by 3. On multiplying this, we have to multiply this element to A11 with this element like this. A into B equals to 2 into 1. Then for this element 2 into 4. Then for this 2 into 3. Then we have to multiply by these 3 to first term, first element, that is 3 into 1, then 3 into 4, and then last 3 into 3. And then third row, that is 4 into 1, then 4 into 4, and then last 4 into 3. And on multiplying this, we will get 2, 8, 6, 3, 12, 9, 4, 16, and this 48. And this is the solution. That question: if A equals to a matrix and B equals to a matrix of order 3 by 2, then find A, B. Now we have to find A, B. AB equals to, now we have to multiply this row with this column. Then 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2, plus minus 2 into 3, minus 6, plus 3 into 0, 0, that is plus 0. Then for this element, 1 into 1, that is 1, plus minus 2 into minus 1, that is plus 2, and here plus 2, and plus 3. Then here 0 into any term will be 0, plus minus 1 into 3, minus 3, plus 2 into 0, that is 0. Then again next 0 into 1, that is 0, plus minus 1 into minus 1, 1, and 2 into 1, that is 2, and which is equals to, its addition will be minus 8, then 6, then minus 3, and then 2, and hence we have A into B is, this is our final answer.